my God.
Oh my God.
Wait, let me just.
Wait a minute.
There is like no resistance, y'all.
It's so soft and wow.
I know.
You can see my curls popping.
Yeah. It makes my hair so soft, so soft. My hair feels. I'm crazy about this, guys. I swear. Oh my God.
What it would look like, and it looks like it's making my hair really wavy and it's loosening up the curls. So
because I'm using my detangling comb and I'm walking it through our hair, and you can see the slip is amazing.
The leaves just combs right through. It doesn't stay in your hair at all. And look at that. Look how easily that is detangling. Since we're going the natural route, we're trying to prevent as much chemicals as possible. This is what I'm talking about. Look at that. Look. You guys. Detangling. And the curls. The curls, y'all.
Very relaxing smell, and our hair loved it.
Let's take a moment of silence for all the rest of the shampoos that I would not be using for the rest of my life. Okay. Oh my God. I know y'all playing.